Nestled within an ecological reserve near Valle de Bravo, Mexico, Casa Tecorral is a striking example of architecture in harmony with nature. Designed by Claudia Rodriguez and Louise Rouzaud, the house is composed of several independent volumes carefully positioned on different levels of sloped terrain. This layout maximizes southern exposure and opens up expansive views of the surrounding landscape, creating a flexible and immersive spatial experience. At the highest point of the site lie the three main volumes of the home, arranged around an interior garden that faces the mountains. This area serves as the social heart of the house, while the more private functions, such as bedrooms and secluded retreats, are dispersed among quieter gardens. Each inhabited space is accessed through transitional areas like zaguans, traditional Mexican entrance halls, or small patios, enhancing the connection between forest and home. Covered terraces and outdoor gardens extend the interior into the landscape. Architecturally, the design emphasizes horizontality through a mix of flat and sloped roofs that blend seamlessly into the natural topography. Dry stone bases, known locally as tecorrals, anchor the architecture, forming low walls that traverse the terrain. These elements enhance the horizontal lines of the project, follow the natural contours of the land, and guide walking paths while also playing a vital role in water management through integrated irrigation trenches. The primary building material of the home is earth, reinforcing the commitment to local resources and environmental responsibility. The walls are constructed with machimblock, a system of interlocking raw earth blocks that offer excellent thermal and acoustic performance. Exterior surfaces are finished with traditional earth plaster and cactus mucilage, while interiors are coated with lime stucco in a variety of natural hues to create warm, organic atmospheres. Select interior spaces, like the sauna and wine cellar, feature wooden wall cladding for added texture and warmth. The flooring combines hand-carved stone, volcanic recinto, and reclaimed wood repurposed from the construction's own formwork. Sloped roof structures are made from pine wood, topped with terracotta plates, solera de barro, while beams and columns are cast from earth-pigmented concrete sourced directly from the site. Sustainability is integral to the project. Solar panels generate electricity for the home, while rainwater is harvested from the roofs and stored for household use. Excess water flows into a natural pool at the lower end of the site, serving both as a visual focal point in the landscape and as the final component in the home's comprehensive water management system. This natural pool enhances the ecological character of the property, working in tandem with planted fruit trees, shrubs, and native vegetation that line the site's edges. These thoughtful landscaping choices promote biodiversity while reinforcing the home's role as a living system integrated within the forest reserve. Casa Tecorral is a powerful example of architecture that respects nature, local tradition, and modern needs. It is more than a residence. It is a living ecosystem that breathes with the land. With its earthy palette, responsible material choices, and fluid connection to the outdoors, it stands as a model for sustainable, soulful living rooted in place and purpose.